Hey guys, here's train number 2 for this week. I just don't know if it's moving. We'll find out, okay?
It's moving. Look at how far the lights moved down.
Huh?
It's moving. Look at how close the light's getting.
Yep. Hey guys, here's train number 2 for this week. Tomorrow's a new week, so after my bowling practice, my grandma might see a Monday southbound for tomorrow, or we might see one after bowling. Here it comes, guys. Yeah, he's moving. Awesome. High five, guys. Here's train number 2 for this week. Now it's going towards Smith Creek on the front stop. Oh, alright. Here's train number 2.
I want to beat these cars out, so.
Let me unbuckle. The hell? You know what? That's right. Here it comes, guys. Aw.
8909.
8909. CN 8909 leaving CN
2235.
2235 2235 and CN
2322.
huh?
2322.
And CN 2322 2322. Nice, 3 engines. So the first one was 8,900 or 909 8909, and second engine was CN
2335.
2,235 2235, and the last one was 2,322 2322. Cool. It has 3 engines, so it should be a long one. Alright guys, after this train we're gonna head home because my dad needs to take a shower. He has work tomorrow and I have bowling tomorrow. Sorry about we didn't get to go Friday because I got in trouble about something, but that's alright. Here's one of the trains. Yeah, he's moving. Let's see if he might move the whole time. You think he's gonna move the whole time? Was this the one that backed? You think this is the one from earlier that backed up? $89.09. The one we saw last Thursday was $89.07.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
I believe so. It's going towards Emmet, Michigan. It's going towards... Oh, that's what we drop on up. Is this truck frames?
Truck frames.
What are you saying? Why?
Not in your video, don't talk about it.
Huh?
Don't talk about that in your video.
Cool, truck frames. Is there one at Speedway?
No.
Huh? Cool guys, truck frames, look at that. And he's slowing down, he might stop.
No.
Huh?
I hope not.
Oh no, he's going. He's going towards Grand Michigan, towards Chicago. Cool guys. Guys, I tell you what. This is gonna be the final train for this week, okay? Next week's gonna be a new week. My grandma will try to catch the Monday southbound for tomorrow, okay? And if grandma sees it, I'll be train 1. And if we see one, that'll probably be train 2, but I'm sure we'll see one. Lumber car. And the box car. It's 7021. Let's see if we can find any 11s. 7113, that number's on the train cars, but there's a lumber car right there. This train came at 10:36.
It's going pretty slow.
Actually, the engine passed about, it basically came about 10 o'clock, 10:30 or something. I don't see any cars going to be tracks at Griswold yet, so I don't see the end. I'll let you guys know when the end comes, okay? Cool, I'm very happy right now. It's a lumber car, empty one. 29.59 on that 32.09 on that one. Alright guys, let me put my buckle back on, okay? I just don't want us to get pulled over. It's a foggy night, guys. But anyways, this is a late Sunday westbound foggy night for the night. He's going towards Chicago. Hurry up, train.
I don't know, it might stop.
Huh?
It might stop.
Stop?
Might, it's going pretty slow.
I don't know, I hope not.
Yeah, I hope not too, but it's going pretty slow.
Which track is it on now?
Second one.
First one.
There's an 11. 40411.
What?
40411.
11, yeah, I saw it, I got it on camera. 40413.
40410.
Yep.
7, 8.
Number 11 again. Oh guys, here comes some rubber cars.
It's slowing.
The one with the white top. Yeah, you think those are lumber cars?
No.
Huh? What are they?
It might be steel.
What?
It might be steel. It could be anything. I don't know what's in there.
What are those white thing on top of it called?
It's called shrink wrap.
Do you guys ever use it for work?
No, it's used a lot in boats in the winter. They shrink them up.
Can it go on top of boats?
In the winter, yeah. That's how they wrap them up if you want to keep it outside.
Oh, car haulers. Is your car going to be tracks at Griswold or no?
No.
Huh? So, alright guys, so yesterday the signal was yellow red, it was green, green, green. Then it went back to yellow, red, red, so we went over tracks and we didn't see it, but we saw it come out of the CANON and it had 6 whites, so it was a beast of whale. Beast of whale has 6 whites, I mean... This train is he stopping? I mean, I don't want him to stop.
Yeah, I don't either, but he's...
Yeah.
3 ones.
100, what? No, it's 111. I don't know about...
I don't think he's slowed down, it's just...
I don't know.
He may have slowed down.
Huh?
Yeah, I think he's slowing down.
I don't know, maybe the other train approaching or something. I mean, isn't the AMTRAK come at this time or now?
I don't know on Sundays.
Usually, on Sunday, oh, look. I think there's cars going to be tracks. I see a light up there, is that what?
Those are car lights.
Is that the end right there, or is that more cars?
Oh, there's more cars.
After the car house?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's more lumber cars.
Oh.
It's slowing down.
Yeah. You think he's at Wagham's yet? Huh?
No.
Is he past Allen?
I don't think so.
Huh. I don't know, guys. We might not even see the whole train. It's crazy because they had 3 freaking engines. You know what? Maybe he is pulling up because if there's a northbound and a southbound, why is he stopping? Damn it. What was that noise?
The train car's stopping.
Huh?
All the cars stopping.
How far do you think he went?
I don't know.
Should we put up by the gate, see what's going on?
You can't see what's going on.
Which track is he on?
The second one.
Second? Is that a glow up there?
It's not a train. Those are car lights.
Alright guys, I'll tell you what, that's all for now, okay? Cause the train stopped. Oh man.